Hello class, in today's lesson we're going to discuss how to divide fractions by a whole number. And our essential question today is, how do you divide a fraction by a whole number? There's different ways to do this. We can model and we can just do it by working it out. We're going to do both ways today, so you have options. Please pay attention and take notes as we go through this. I'll pause as we go along so that you can write down what you need to write down in your notebooks. So Unlock the Problem states 4 friends share 2/3 of a quart of ice cream equally. What fraction of a quart of ice cream does each friend get? So first way we're going to do it is we're going to do it by working it out, problem solving. So 2/3 divided by, obviously because the title is divide. Remember, the fraction comes first. Divide by 4. And we've done this before, so if you remember the rule, you know that 2/3 we write back, first number we write back, second number we find the reciprocal of. But before we do that, the division sign must turn into a multiplication sign. And 4 is going to turn into 1/4. So now you have 2 times 1. I'm going to write it out on here. 2 times 1 and 3 times 4, which is equal to 2/12. And if you simplify that, you divide the numerator and the denominator by 2, you get 1/6. Okay? So what fraction of a quart of ice cream does each friend get? 2/12 or 1/6. Second way that we could do this is by creating a model. We can model that. So here we have a rectangle, which I'm going to cut into 3 equal parts because of the 2/3, 3 equal parts. 1, 2. So now you have the 3 equal parts, and there's 2 in the numerator, so that means that 2/3 of that is shaded. So I'm going to use a crayon and color 2/3 of that. I'll use yellow. I'm going to color 2/3 of that section. Okay. And now we need to divide these 3 parts? We have to divide it into fourths, and we're going to do that horizontally. First we did vertically, and now we're going to go across horizontally. So I'm going to cut in the middle first. Oops, too big. Too big. Let's undo that. That is ginormous. Let's try again. Cut in the middle. That's half. And I'm going to cut that half in half. And I'm going to cut this half in half. And now just like how we shaded in 2 parts, we're going to do the same thing this time. I'm going to use a different crayon to show that. I'm going to use red. and I'm just going to color 2 parts out of this 12. And then you're looking to see, you're going to look to see which squares have overlapping colors. And if you look here, you see that red and yellow overlap, and there's only 2 of them. So 2 12s, which is equal to 1 6. So no matter which way we did it, you're still going to get the same answer. So you could use computation or you can model. You can decide which version you want to do. And that's it for our unlocking the problem. We'll do our next video for the next lesson. Adios.